Hey guys, this is Spencer with Fat Fender Garage, and today is our block party. As you can see behind me, we have trucks, people, and everything that you could possibly imagine. We have only just gotten started. It is literally 5:05 as I speak. There's a ton of people here already. Let's get to it. It is so much fun, and we're happy to have you. As of yesterday, March 12th, 2026, we are a fully in-house shop. Everything done under this building. Back here, we got our fab department, all kinds of crazy metalwork going on. We got a 4-door suicide crew cab Bronco, widened 3 inches. We have a traditional Gen 1 Bronco. We have this Denside here, Whipple Coyote. There's Whipples on everything, it's crazy. This is our fab shop, ton of metalwork going on. We have about 5 or 6 guys back here. Sometimes there's 3 or 4 float guys, so anywhere up to 10 guys in this department at any given time. Now, jumping over, body shop. We have this crew cab that's about to go in, almost all the metalwork's done. We have what will be the crown jewel of SEMA 2026 or 2027, 56 F-100. It's almost ready for paint. We can't wait to see what you guys think of the color. Whippled Coyote, every inch touch. This will be the crown jewel of probably all crown jewels we've ever done. Everything on this thing's gone crazy. Everything has stations. They all have screens. They all have a scope of work that people are supposed to follow. Bed's gone through the first round of primer. It's about ready to get sanded on again, and we'll start on the cab here shortly afterwards. That's pretty much it for the body shop.
Welcome to the 6th annual Fat Fender Garage block party. It is insane, actually. It's 6:45 and there's easily 2,000 people here, so I'm not even sure we can say that we expected that. This is our outside area, so this is out back on the back side of our building. We've got 4 food trucks, we've got Randizzles, we've got Crave Barbecue, we've got Waffle Love, we've got some tacos and ribs over here. Yeah, it is insane. Like, thank you so much to everybody that came. It's crazy that we started this. I think the first one we probably had like 400 to maybe 600 people, and now it's not even halfway through and we've got 2,000 would be my guess. We've got trucks all the way around here. We ran out of truck parking, so next year we're gonna have to definitely get more. We got a bounce house for the kids. That was a hit. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm seeing new customers, past customers. It's kind of crazy.
Twin turbo 1956 F-100 Coyote swap. Probably gonna make 1,000 horsepower, fully frame off chassis, airbags. This thing is nuts. I've heard this guy's surprising his wife with the turbos. I can't confirm if that's true or not, but we got dual paint booths. They're all climate controlled. By the way, I forgot to mention our body shop is fully ventilated. It's a safe working space, unlike a lot of other body shops in America. We care for our employees. 2 paint booths. We are simultaneously painting our trucks and we're painting parts that we sell to retail. So that usually simultaneously goes between the booths. And then we have a climate controlled mixing room in the center. So all the paint is mixed in the same conditions in which it's sprayed. It really helps give you a really nice clean paint job. This was really fun, really expensive, and probably something that we'll collab with BASF on. Maybe put their logo on the side, so there might be something fun to come on that. All the panels hung up, ready to go, or just got worked on. Now, for the builds, they all take place right through here.
We have classic trucks all the way down this area. Hi, you're accidentally on video.
Thank you so much for this opportunity, and I'm so happy.
Oh, of course, you're the master of all of our steering wheels. That's Adrian. He does all of our leather wrapping of all of our steering wheels. Got another truck coming through here. Hi.
Hello,
Emerson, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is you're one of our like OG builds, because it's like it's been like 7 years?
About this time when I picked it up.
Yeah.
8 years ago. So.
Over here, if you've been watching our videos, you might recognize this one. Its name is Zoe. This is like one of my favorite trucks because of the like functional of it. But I don't know if we've shown it with the bikes on it. But this is like one of my favorite things is that we fabricated these bike holders in the bed, and they're sick. They like flip down or they flip back up. You can put the bikes on there, and yeah. So to go with the functionality, these might be locked. Oh, hell yeah. So they've got 2 different storage containers. Yeah, these are so sick. You can literally just put in 2 bags and hit the road. You've got bikes, extra tire. But yeah, I love this truck because of the functionality. I almost want to just leave it open. I'm actually going to do that so that people can see that because that's sick. But it already went home, but it came back and he brought it back with bikes for this show, so that was awesome.
So you have a 1967 F-100 4x4 Godzilla swap, beautiful leather interior, We'll talk about this more a lot. You'll see it. This thing is gorgeous. Wimbledon white and boxwood green. We repainted it, so it's not the original colors. We just mirrored them. You've seen before Bogey, 1973 square body GMC. We unveiled it at Dino's. Now it's done. It's got 900 and something miles on it, and it's ready to go back to Scott, so we're super happy for him. 1967 C10, beautiful, painted in a Toyota color. You've seen these on their new Tundras. Super nice interior. We sell these kits on our website. I'll get to that soon. We'll get to dive into more of the upholstery stuff. It's Bumpside Paradise. This is another F-100. I believe this one's a 71 or a 72. Gen 3 Illuminator Coyote swap, sitting on some really nice avant-garde wheels. Really, really cool Ford Performance bucket seats in there. This is this guy's, I believe, for his sons. Super fun truck. You'll see this a lot too. Same guy, I believe this is his truck, Whippled Coyote, level 1 chassis, so our custom chassis, painted in the same dark green color, the black to green shift that we put in other trucks before. You've seen this on our twin turbo. It's got all the trim on it, looks super, super good. This is Jason's personal truck, the 72-hour build. It's a 1972 F-100. Short bed on the level 2 Fat Fender Garage chassis. Got the Gen 3 Coyote, really fun. We've put a lot of miles on this. We've used it for marketing. I believe it is either for sale or has just been sold, but really fun truck. Somebody's gonna have a good time with it.
Here's another truck that we're just about finished with. They were doing test miles on it. There we go. Got a beautiful interior, bench seat. This is our slick interior kit. So I don't know if those are officially released yet, but super sick. I love the stitching tie-in. Light, looks good. Looks good for this year range, kind of retro. This truck you might recognize if you've been following us for a while. We built it about 3 or 4 years ago. This is the Mole Queens. It's a 55. We did the interior, wood bed. It's got really light accents and then got Cerakote as well. Really beautiful, super nice family. This is her grandfather's truck, so they kept it in the family. But we have a long video of this actually where we did like the whole reveal with them. They're super nice, so if you want to check that video out, we have that too.
These two trucks right here are brothers. This is Stark over here. This is a 1968 F-100. We built this about a year ago. We're just doing some final tune-ups on it while we complete his brother's truck, which is a 1966 F-100. Really, really cool. Both have Whippled Coyotes. Both are on Fat Fender Garage level 2 chassis. Custom paint jobs. This is the essence of the designer series. These are bespoke vehicles and they're fun, fun, fun to drive. So this one we've been building for a little while now. It's finally getting ready to get done. I believe it's a 67 or a 68 F-100 level 2 chassis, Whippled Coyote. You should know the specs at this point because we have about 8 of these in the shop right now and they're all so sick. Custom 3-stage paint job by our shop team. All billet trim. It's all been Cerakoted to match. There's a nice blue stripe on the bottom of the truck that's a little subtle, and we've matched some of the trim to that same blue color, so it's a very fun play on that. This one's about to go to upholstery once it's done with wiring here in the next couple of weeks. Back behind us we have a 49 Ford F1 truck. That is a pure revival series. It was put onto our chassis. We didn't modify anything. Firewall, fenders, bed, completely stock truck. The Coyote fits and it's so sick. That one's in wiring right now and almost done as well. This guy's name is Ruben. He's a really good customer of ours. Really think he's gonna be happy with his truck. We just used this truck to develop our 1948 to 52 interior kits for the F1 trucks. At the time this video comes out, they should be live on the website, ready to go. There's a huge need for these. We hope you guys enjoy them. They were made with love and made in very good quality. This is a 1996 Ford OBS F-150. This truck is so dope. This is the stock frame. We're making suspension kits for them. I don't have a release date, but here in the near future, they're gonna put adjustable coilovers on them, non-drop spindles, Willwood disc brakes. If you wanna put coilovers and disc brakes in a new suspension system, new steering system on an OBS, that's gonna be coming really soon. We already make the nice motor mount kit for it and a lot of other goodies, so we're just gonna wrap all that up for you. So the OBS is easy to put a Coyote in, maybe a Godzilla someday, serviceable. It all should be available.
Wow, I am gonna have to get bleeped because holy, there is a ton of people here. I've been in the back and I keep getting stopped everywhere I go, so I haven't really even been up front, but there is a ton of trucks out here. Pretty crazy. Yes, this is the Richin. So we have that 60 fridge truck that we did, the black and red one. You might recognize that over there. That's cool. They've got like a skull in the driver's seat. We got some bumps, we got some dents. This is the Bronco that I was talking about. Again, another OG customer. This is rowdy. Well, actually, I take that back. This is not rowdy. This is a family event, but there's a lot of people. This is another past build of ours. This is what I was talking about earlier. The VIN F-100. It's a tribute truck, sort of. It's the Dodger truck, if you remember that one. Turn to this one. It is beautiful. The colors are amazing. It's got the black slate kind of gray, but it's not exactly like the Nardo gray. It's a little bit warm, maybe I would say. And then we have the gold pinstriping, kind of not pinstriping, but gold stripe. And then the interior that we did and the wood bed. This is a very, very beautiful truck. And I think it went to a new owner, so I don't know who the new owner is, but it's here. And it looks really good.
So we've covered the build side of things, which in its own regard is a really, really cool feature and kind of the backbone of our business. We're not just a build shop, we do it all in-house, and we're scaling to the point that we can give it all to our customers as well. We got our upholstery department over here. These are our main assembly table. These are our sewing tables. I believe we have 11 people in our upholstery department that are actively hand sewing interiors, working on production. It's really cool. We offer these. These are our typical bench seats. This one is part of our tailor-made interior kits. You go with the tailor-made and you're gonna get a two-tone. There's lots of colors to pick from. We'll ship you samples, get to pick your stitch color, and occasionally we'll do fun stuff like a flip down, although for the most part we just do the normal bench seats. This is part of our full kits that we sell. We've talked about that a lot, but you guys shouldn't sleep on them. They're not only affordable for the quality that you're getting, but they're really, really freaking nice and they're easy to install. I've heard that we are the now largest upholstery shop in Arizona, not just automotive, just all upholstery. And we couldn't have done it without you guys. We had no idea there was this kind of demand for this kind of product, and we're really starting to reevaluate what we can really do here. So thank you guys for all the support on this. We have our signature kits, they're one-tone kits, and then we have these tailor-made kits, which are a little bit more expensive, but you get two-tone. But in the signature kits, you get things like this. You could get this in the signature series kit. Under 10 grand, regardless of truck year. All truck year makes and models from 1948 all the way through 1979. That's right, that's also slick sides, that's also fridge trucks. Everything, 57 to 60, 61 to 66, and now as of recently the F1s, and in the very near future the OBS stuff. So 80s and 90s, we're coming for you too. But oh wait, it gets better. Oh wait, you thought we were done.
I know I just did some bouncing around, but there's so much stuff that I missed. Got our awning set up out here, the twin turbo truck. We've got a ton of videos on that you can watch. We got videos on Zoe you can watch, the GMC over there. There's like so many people we can't even get back there, but we're giving away a bench seat tonight. So any merchandise purchase, you get a ticket. We're gonna announce the winner tonight.
Hello. Hey, thanks for coming everyone. It's 8:30. We're gonna announce the winner of the giveaway for this bench seat. This is a Fat Fender Garage bench seat. It'll fit in most Ford trucks. It's 60 inches wide. It's got bolsters in it. It's really good stuff. But thank you guys all for coming out. I hope you all had fun. I hope you're all going to be back next year. So without further ado, I say let's just get into it and draw the winner here. It's a lot of pressure. And the winner of the bench seat giveaway is going to be number 827031. 827031. You got it? Is this it? All right, let's take a look at the ticket. Let's see. 827031, the bench seats. Yeah, give it up. This thing's nice. It's also like $3 grand, by the way, so he saved himself quite a bit of money by winning this. So, congrats. What's it going into?
64 F-100.
Beautiful, 64 F-100, and we got the seat brackets for that, so it'll drop right in. But
this is our swag truck, and we've got swag in it, which is pretty cool. We reupholstered, like we put carpet in all of the drawers and cabinets in the back here, which is so sick. Probably 4 years ago, we've had this truck for a long time, and the vision is coming to life. We've got swag in the swag truck, which has been, I mean, it's literally called the swag truck, and I don't even know if anybody recognizes that's why, but full circle moment. And this is a Godzilla. So I am feeling a little bit scatterbrained because there's so much stuff going on. But of course, we really appreciate everybody that came out here tonight. Next year, like I said, you guys have to come out here. Good Guys Weekend, and we have a really good time. Bring your families. Got dogs walking around, got kiddos. I just had a kiddo of my own, so that's why I don't really know everything that's even going on right now. Yeah, I've been missing for a couple months, and I'm just barely getting back. So thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe, do all of those things, and come out here next year. Thank you to everyone that did, and we'll see you soon.